Good evening, guys.
Hi sir.
Hello sir. Good evening sir.
Hope all are willing to know about the job profile and other related details.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, let me first introduce myself. Myself, Anmol Jain.
Hi, I'm Manaswini from IIM Kolkata. Hi, I'm Chirag from Delhi University.
Hi, I'm Darshan from IIM Bangalore.
Okay, let me brief you about the job title. The job title is Director of Operations.
Nice. Sounds good.
Actually, it's not just an ordinary job.
Okay.
It is the most important job which requires full dedication and commitment.
Yeah, we will try to do this job with responsibility and as per the requirement.
Good. Constant work and high level of stamina is required for this job.
Okay, so I'm the suitable person for this job. What will be the timings?
Well, there will be no specified time duration. You have to work as per your associate requirements.
But how many hours we have to work per day?
You have to work 168 hours per week.
Is it 24 hours per day?
Yes, you are right.
Are you serious?
If we work for 24 hours, then when will we take break for lunch?
Sorry, no break for lunch.
You mean we are not allowed to take lunch?
Well, you can take lunch only when your associates are not taking lunch.
It's crazy. How can it be expected?
First time I'm listening about this kind of job.
Yes, it is Director of Operations post and we can't take lunch properly. Anyway, what are the expectations?
You should have knowledge about everything like food, stitching, nursing, etc. One more thing. Your associates can contact you anytime. It may be day or maybe night.
Okay, what about weekly off?
Oh, there will be no holidays.
What?
No holidays? Is it legal?
Yes, it is legal. In fact, on holidays, your workload will be more.
No leave on even Dussehra, Diwali and Christmas?
Oh no, it's a very sick, twisted job.
Oh my god, 24 hours per day, no lunchtime, no holidays. Do we even have time to sleep?
No fixed time for sleep.
That's inhuman. How is it possible?
Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking.
I think you'll get lots of money for this job. I'm sure. Salary will be in lakhs of rupees. Yes, what will be the salary, sir?
I'm also eager to know the salary of this job.
Sorry, the company will pay no salary.
Excuse me, no salary?
No money for this kind of tough job?
Ha ha, you're making fun of us?
Who will do this job?
Well, currently millions of people are doing this job. In fact, more than millions.
Really? How is it possible? Who all are doing this job? No one will do this job without huge salary.
Yes, I want to know who can do this job with no holiday, no lunch, and for free.
Moms.
Moms? Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, she's amazing.
Oh yes, my mom is working 24 hours a day. Yes, you're right. My mom never eats her food until everyone finishes their food. During holidays, my mom is working more and fulfilling all her demands. There is no salary for this hard job which my mom is doing.
Yes, I'm remembering my mom.
What do you remember?
I remember when I was sick last time, she didn't sleep for 2 days.
During my exams, she is helping me in my studies. My mom is the best. No one can do this job better than moms. Dedicate this to all our mothers in the universe who work throughout their life and doing selfless and toughest jobs. Thank you. Thank you, Anmol and team. It was such an eye-opener. I think we got a beautiful message from your skit. Thank you so much for all the four of you.
Thank you, guys.
With this, we come to the end of this function. Thank you for joining us in this eventful evening. Let's conclude the program with our national anthem.
An announcement before we rise for the national anthem. Dinner is arranged at the Annapurna Hall. Request you all of you to move to Annapurna Hall after national.
इसको सेव कैसे करें? इसको सेव करना है ना।